Good evening, Vanners. Here's a quick update in the van project. I cut the rust out of that inner wheelhouse and patched it in with a piece of that replacement panel. It was a perfect contour. I just had to dolly and hammer it in a little bit, and it made this absolutely perfect transition into this lower skin. So when the outer wheelhouse goes on, we have a really good base to work with. It went in well. It didn't take very long to put that in. It was mostly just basically welding it in. That's the time it took. I sandblasted in all in here, and I've sprayed it down with a high zinc primer or weld through primer, and that'll be happening on the inside of this as well. I'll put the high zinc primer on the inside of that patch. It really went together well. So the next thing we're going to do is clean this all up and just spray some that primer on top of it and get ready for epoxy. And we're going to work on this side of it. And I do have the inner wheel structure sandblasted in here as well, and it needs to be replaced. So we're just going to drill the spot welds out, and there's only one spot weld in here and half a dozen of them in here, and that panel should drop down without any problem, as there's not a whole lot holding it on. It's independent of the rocker and the inside. The rocker, I did a little sandblast in there. It's perfect. It'll be really good. We have a nice solid foundation, so I'm not anticipating much trouble with the inner rocker. So this is just the ugly superficial rust that I'm dealing with, and I'm gonna just cut up to the body line for now, and so I can get my hand in there and work a little bit easier before I start taking the rest of the sheet metal off. I'm contemplating on drilling another hole like that so I can get a wand in there and spray product, and then I'm going to do another one in the inner door jamb so you can get a product in there without any issue with like a garden sprayer type deal. We'll go from there. We'll see as I go along what the prognosis is with that type of a idea, but we'll see how it goes. I want to continue on with this evening. I don't think it'll take very long to get that all blasted out, and I want to finish doing the final prep on this and get some paint on it to stop or prevent the corrosion. So I'm going to give it a quick sandblast, clean it all out, and put some not high build, but zinc rich primer, weld through primer. I've had good luck with it in the past, so we'll just continue on using it, and when we're all done here, we'll paint Pour 15 into the wheelhouse. Everything's clean in here. That's just wear and tear. The zinc's still in there, you can see. That's just surface rust. So we'll blast that. I had to reattach the inner splash panel. So we'll put a couple more tacks in there, clean it all up, grind it down, sandblast it, clean it up, and we'll treat it as well. So everything went good. The stitching went good. Did the old light test, and welds are good. So anyways, yeah, I've got to go through here and prep the wheelhouse still. Sorry, focus. I got to go in here and prep the wheelhouse. You can see there's some spot welds that are still left behind. I didn't get too aggressive with the sheet metal, obviously, and I need to do some sandblasting in there and in and around here. But yeah, prep is key here. When you've got this type of rust issue, you got to get all this crap off or it'll come back. Everything in here is also just surface rust, so we're just going to blast that off quickly and treat it and paint it as well. It comes off quite easily. That was just a quick pass right in here. It just blew all the crappy paint and the scaly rust off instantly. So I don't have any problems with that. And this is all cleaned up in here as well. So it's just a quick update. I thought that you may want to see it, the progress. Everything's going to plan. There's never really a plan. You just go at it, but the plan is to just get it done. Anyways, thank you for watching. This is a quick update. Sorry I have a candy in my mouth and blah 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 blah. That's just the way life goes. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.